Yeah, hello everyone. How are we today? Everyone is
Yalla,
fine?
fine, sir.
That's
Yes.
great.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
guys, this video is going to be recorded, and today you, the guys, have to do a conversation. Conversation in the sense there would be a topic. Any one of you can choose a topic, and rest of the people are just going to ask as many questions as you want. Okay? The person who is going to
Yes.
choose the topic has to reply whatever the question comes to him. So let me share
Okay,
this
sir.
screen with you. First of all, let me introduce you the guys. So we have Ankit Srivastav.
Hello.
Okay, we have Mashal Singh, and we have Aman,
Hello.
and we have some other people as well. They have turned off their cameras. Okay, so I can take their names also. We have Rajni and we have Bittu.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. So let me share the screen with you. So here we go. So guys, there are so many conversation topics given here. You can choose whichever you want. So I'm just going to scroll it up. You can take as per your choice.
Yes, sir. So the topic that I would like to choose is a drunken husband was thrashed by his wife.
Okay, so Ankit has chosen this topic. Bittu, could you please turn off your audio because background noise is coming, buddy. Okay, a drunkard husband was thrashed by his wife. This is the topic chosen by Ankit. So rest of the people are going to ask as many questions as they want. So I'm just going to stop sharing this. Let's go to this mode. Here all the people are visible. Yeah.
Yes.
So Mashal, Bittu, Aman, Rajni, you can ask the questions, whatever occurs to your mind.
Okay, Mr. Ankit, where did the incident happen, and where did you
Well,
see this?
the incident happened just in my neighborhood. I didn't see it, but I was informed about it by my mother.
And what did you do after listen this incident happened? What did you do on your side?
Well, as soon as I came to know about the incident, I went to my neighborhood and I met with the lady who had beaten up her husband.
So what did
Has he
you
done?
did you call the police? Do you take any help from someone?
No, actually, it was a family affair, so I didn't call the police. I didn't want it. I didn't want to make it, police case. So I
It is
just
a
Has
went to
family
the
matter.
police.
I agree with you, but it is the responsibility of the public. If someone has brutally beaten, you have to inform. So why
Yeah,
didn't you call?
I did not want to make a police case because it is a personal affair between a husband and wife, and I wanted it to settle amicably. And husband was also at fault here because he had been drinking for a long time, and his wife has been telling him not to drink, but he doesn't listen. So
Do
ultimately,
you,
his
So,
do you
wife.
know personally? Do you know personally husband and wife?
Yeah,
Have
yeah, they are
you?
very good people, but sometimes it happens when people are angry, they can't control themselves, and something like that happened.
was it a first
But
time? Was it a first time this drama took place, or earlier also you saw any one of them beating each other?
Sir, earlier I saw them fighting with each other verbally,
Okay,
but this was the first time when I have came to know that actually a physical,
assault was there.
yeah, a physical, took place between them, physical assault.
Yeah. So
Yes.
first, did husband start beating, or finally husband was beaten? What
Sir,
exactly?
actually, husband was beaten because he was badly drunk. He was not even able to walk on his feet.
Okay.
So wife got very angry at him, and she told him that I have told you time and again not to drink, but you never listen. So she became quite angry, and she started beating him up.
what is the
So
time this? What is the time on when you heard about this?
Yeah, actually, I came back from my office, and only then my mother told me about the incident. So I think the incident took place somewhere up in the evening, sometime in the evening.
And
Do
what?
they have children?
Yeah, they have a couple of children. They are school-going children.
Did, did they see this incident?
Yeah, I think they were very much present in the house. So they witnessed the incident. And even when I went to the house, I tried to, make the husband understand that he shouldn't drink a lot because it will also cause, bad impact on the children.
is husband
Did
educated?
you also talk with children?
Is he educated?
Yes, sir, I think he is educated. He is graduate.
What makes him drink?
Sir, I think under peer pressure he drinks a lot.
Peer
All of his
pressure.
friends are spoiled brats.
What kind of
So,
pressure he faced during the days?
sorry, pardon.
What kind of pressure husband are facing during the days?
Actually, I'm talking about peer pressure. Matlab his friends, ask him to drink with them,
Okay, okay.
and he can't say no to them. So he goes and start drinking, and it happens almost every day.
Okay, as you
What does
said,
he do?
if her husband is your friend, so why didn't you tell him ki don't drink?
Yeah, I always, whenever I meet him, I try to make him understand that drinking is not healthy for him and it's not good for the family also because he has young children who will also get spoiled in that atmosphere. And every time he says to me that, okay, he will mend his ways. But,
What does he do?
every time he makes a promise, but every time he breaks that promise, unfortunately.
What does he do?
He works in a company. He's working as a company, in a company as a chartered accountant.
Is
So both are
anyone
the
able
financial
to
companies, they are doing quite
rescue
well,
her?
but
Okay,
unfortunately, due
Bittu,
to
Bittu, Bittu, ask. You want to ask something? Ask.
Yes. Is anyone able to rescue her?
Arrest
no,
him?
actually, he was not arrested, and even the wife did
Rescue.
not want him to be arrested. It's only that she got angry and then she started beating him up. Obviously, if he goes to the jail, the family will suffer only. So she
So
doesn't want him to go to jail.
how is his wife now?
Well,
Is
she's
that
quite all right now, and she's somewhere down the line. She also admits her mistake. She thinks that she shouldn't have beaten up her husband badly. Yeah.
Is his
Okay.
wife a housewife or a work woman?
No, she's a housewife actually.
Did
is
her wife
her
informed her family?
Did he's
Sorry.
asking? I think he's asking that. Did that lady inform her family members? You're talking about her own
Yeah.
mom and dad.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
I think that lady has told everybody about the incident. She took help from her family members. She also asked for help from the husband's family members, and all of them once gathered together and they tried to make him understand.
what do you think
Did
that
her
is her husband? Did he feel realized that he did he did take mistake?
Means
Yes,
he.
yes, yes. I think he has realized it and he's very sorry. And he has even promised that he won't ever, even touch any alcohol.
So when this
Does he
incident
did
have
was going
her
on, the question arises here. When husband was being beaten, that time were you available there, or just only your mother was there?
No, actually, sir, I wasn't available that time. But a lot of people were present there because this incident happened just in my neighborhood. So other people were there. I was not physically present that time.
Okay.
does he
So
have parents?
one more question is there. Was
Yeah.
the husband beaten in the room, or he was taken out and thrashed over there?
Sir, actually, he was taken out and thrashed there. That's why everybody came to know about it.
Okay, okay.
People saw it and a scene was created.
My God. Aman, any question? Aman, any question?
Does he have parents?
Actually, don't
I
be
beg
here.
your pardon,
Should have.
Mr. Raman?
Does the man who was stressed have parents?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, he has parents, but they live separately from him.
Mean they have a nuclear family. They're
Yeah, they
living.
have a nuclear family consisting of wife, husband, and two children.
Did they scold him?
Yeah, every time, whenever this fight takes place, and whenever he comes home drunk, his family members do scold him.
did her brother come to rescue her? Means
No,
उसका
actually,
भाई
that
उसको
time
बचाने
nobody
आया.
came to his rescue. At that time, nobody came for his rescue because it was a private affair between husband and wife, so nobody dared to interfere. But soon everything subsided, and then all of the neighborhood went there and they tried to make understand both of them.
Is it his own house, or he lives in a rented
It,
apartment?
he is on rented accommodation. It is not his own house.
Did someone inform the landlord about it?
Yeah, actually, landlord was informed about it, and he also came there. And but he was also, in the shock. He was saying, "Please don't do that." People can only make them understand. Yeah.
What landlord was there? when the
No,
incident
no, no.
happened?
Landlord lives in a different society, but when he came to know about the incident, he just came there.
Okay.
Good one, good one. Fine, very good. Rajni, do you want to take any topic and rest of the people can ask you questions? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you the topics. Here we go. Yeah, Rajni, which topic do you want? I'm just scrolling it up.
So I chose father saw his daughter in a cinema hall sitting on the corner seat with a boy.
ओके फादर सॉ हिज डॉटर यानी कि एक पिता ने अपनी बेटी को देखा सिनेमा हॉल में सिटिंग ऑन द कॉर्नर सीट विद द बॉय ओके एक लड़के के
Yes,
साथ
sir.
कॉर्नर सीट पे बैठे हुए फाइन सो
Yes,
रेस्ट
sir.
रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस एंड रजनी इज गोइंग टू रिप्लाई
Okay.
गो
So,
अहेड
Rajni, my first question to you is, what was the reaction of the father when he saw his daughter sitting with a boy?
That time he was very angry, but he did not say anything because it's a public place and he did not want any create any scene over there. That's why he calmed down that time.
In which
What
cinema
was what
hall
was his
did he saw
father
him?
doing at that time? What was his father doing at that time?
Actually, that day was a Sunday, and he want to see the movie. So he called his friend, and they both were going and see the movie.
इट शुड हैव बीन ही वांटेड टू वॉच अ मूवी ही
He
वांटेड
wanted the watching the movie. Yes.
वांटेड टू वॉच
What is the name of the movie?
The movie name is Wanted.
योर योर
In which
योर कैमरा इज ऑन योर वीडियो इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड इज इट ओके विद यू
Okay,
Oh,
Rajni,
okay,
ma'am,
fine,
I
sir.
have a question to you that how did you come to know about this incident? Who told you about it?
Can you repeat the question, Ankit, please?
How did you come to know about this incident? Who told you about this incident?
Actually, that girl is my friend, and after that incident, she called me and asked and said to each, and she said to me whole incident. That's why I know that.
What is
in
your
which
friend name?
cinema
What is your
in
friend
which
name?
cinema hall did they go?
ओके इन विच
Sorry,
सिनेमा
one by one, I'm confused. Yes,
What
sir.
is your friend name? What is your friend name?
फ्रेंड्स नेम
What is my surname?
Friend's name.
The girl,
His
the
friend's
girl who was caught red-handed in the cinema hall, the name of that girl.
Okay. That girl name is Priya.
Is she student or is she working? Girl.
She is working.
And how long
She is
have you
working with
known?
me.
How long have you known each other?
Last 5 years, we knew each other.
We have known each other. ऐसे बोलेंगे, we have known each
We
other.
know each other. Sorry, we know each other.
चलो मैं correct
Did they go? Did they both go anywhere after watching the movie?
No. Yes. After watch the movie,
Watching.
they after watching the movie, her friend and he both went to the restaurant.
Okay. Did she
Did he-
knew that her father was watching?
Don't say key. Mashallah,
No,
don't say key. Did she?
Did she know that?
Did she know that her father was watching? Did she know?
No, that time she did not know.
How
Did
how
it
did she
ask
come get to
her
know?
to go to the rest?
Okay. How did she come to know that her father saw everything?
When she returned the home, that time her father told them.
Told
What did her father say to her when she reached home?
Sorry.
What did her father say to her when she reached home?
Okay. When she reached the home, that time her father told, "Where are you going?" that girl said, I'm going to office,
It's
but
wrong.
his
It's
father.
wrong. Rajni, it's wrong. It should have been like, where were you? तुम कहाँ थी? तुम क्या कर रही
Okay,
थी?
okay,
It should be
okay,
like this. पापा ने कहा कि
okay,
where were you? और where had you gone? तुम कहाँ गई हुई थी?
okay. She said, कि I'm going to office.
I was in
I
my
was going to office.
नहीं
I
I was
was in my office.
okay let me tell you या तो होगा कि I had gone to my office या I was in my office दो सही है तरीके
I was in my office.
okay fine
Do you also know that boy who was with your friend?
Uh, yes, no. My father did not know that. He is my friend.
Okay. And what about that boy? Is that boy also your friend?
Yes, that boy is my friend. Yes,
It's a
he
mutual
is
Did
my
you
friend.
good
help
friend.
her?
He is my good friend.
Did you help her
did you have
to
a
go to cinema?
Did you
Did you help her? Help her to go to
have
cinema.
did you have a purse? What are you saying, Bitu? I'm
Did
not.
you help her?
did you
I
help
think
okay
he's
did you
asking
help
whether
them
you help
did you
to her.
help
Yeah.
them go to cinema hall
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, he picked me in my office
he
and
spoke to me
we went to the cinema hall.
Okay,
After
both are
that, we
your
went to
friend.
the cinema hall
Why both are your friend? Why you didn't go with them?
because he is my good friend
Why
and
didn't go to
we
cinema
both
with
are
them?
free. We both were free that time.
what is the question मशाल ये सवाल है कि आप क्यों नहीं गए उनके साथ ऐसा सवाल है
Yes. Why didn't you go with them if
Yeah.
they are your good friend?
So, ma'am, I have a question that whether that boy and girl are in a relationship or whether they are only good friends.
No, they both are good friends. Nothing else.
okay good
Did
friend
her father also tell to the boy's father?
Rajni one question arises here Rajni one question
Okay, sir.
so do you think that good friends can have a corner seat
Sir, it's not our choice. If that time he booked the ticket, the last two side only last two side is remain. That's why he set the corner seat.
lovely answer yeah any question
Did her father also tell the story to the boy's father?
No, when my friend said to whole story and when my friend listened whole story for her father mouth, that time he told father he is just my friend and nothing else. So her father realized he yes, my daughter is correct, and
but
he did not call anyone.
But when her father asked her, "Where were you?" she said, "I was in my office," which was absolutely a lie. She should have told the gospel truth that yes, I was with my friend. So why didn't she tell the truth that time?
So that time he afraid
She got afraid.
because she got afraid and he did not say that because her father and she
Hmm.
not a good friend.
Okay. They're not very
So
frank. They're not
that's
very
why.
frank.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
It,
what was
that
the
that's
reaction?
it.
What was the reaction of the mother of that girl?
Uh, that time when the father and daughter तो नहीं एक मिनट okay, she is fine because she knew that he is a good friend of my daughter. That's why she is not
She did not react.
reacting.
She did not
She
react.
did not react.
React.
She did not react.
Did she meet again the boy after the incident?
Yeah, because they are good friends. So he met again. They will meet again and again.
मिलेंगे वो. Okay, fine, guys. We don't have much time. Okay, so
Right,
we
sir.
will have to wrap it up here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it was
Thank
it
you
was
very
lovely conversation. The guys tried really in a better way.
Thank
So
you.
guys, tomorrow can we do chain speaking? We will do
Of
chain
course, sir.
speaking.
Yes, sir.
And with the guys can practice whenever the guys get free, you can contact to each other and start practicing.
Sure, sure, sure.
So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Bye guys. Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Take care.
Okay,
Bye bye.
sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.